I'm on Sukhumvit Road on Soi 7. I'm going to show you the Key Premium Hotel, how far it is from Sukhumvit Road. So let's walk along all the way down to the hotel right now. Time now is around 3 o'clock p.m. So we got the Soi 7 beer bar complex, which is pretty new, on my left here. And you got the beer garden, Sukhumvit Soi 7. That's been there for a long time, like 15-20 years. So basically it takes about, we'll see how long it takes for me to walk to the hotel. Maybe less than 5 minutes, depending on how fast you walk, right? There's a lot of hotels on this Soi. It's quiet. There's no 7-Eleven here. There's a 7-Eleven actually right on Sukhumvit Road on my right. And it's right there. Small 7-Eleven. But there's no 7-Eleven on this street. Right next to this is the Soi 7-1, I believe. That has some like guest houses and bars, massage parlors. Hotel is like 3.5 years old. It was just built just before the pandemic. Rooftop pools on the 7th floor, as well as the bar and the buffet restaurant is all on the 7th floor. The gym is on the 1st floor. Basically, right, there's a lobby, and then you just go past the lobby, and there it is. I'll show you that as well. So here it is. Key Premier Hotel. Did I say premium before? I don't know. But yeah, this is the Key Premier Hotel on Soi 7. So basically it took less than 4 minutes, right? 3-minute walk. So it's a very short walk. If you have a car, you can park it here. A motorcycle as well, you can park it here as well. It's not a very tall hotel. There's only seven floors basically, right? The pool's up there, but you actually get a nice view of Bangkok when you're up there, as I will show you when I'm at the pool. This room is 25 square meters. It's a fairly decent size. I mean, I thought it would have been smaller actually, less spacious, but there's actually a lot of room for your luggage. As you can see, you can put your bags here, your shoes. This is your interesting type of closet, open, right? There's your safety deposit box, 4-digit password, some drawers, more space for your luggage. Here's your small fridge. It's not very cold. Max. No freezer though. That kind of sucks. I need a freezer for my ice. You get 2 free waters. Tea and coffee accessories. Here's your kettle. There it is. And your cups and your glasses. Tucked away in a drawer. It's kind of cool. flat screen TV. Here's your little table. You can do your work here, eat as well. Here's the view you get. This is the 4th floor. You get a decent view of Bangkok. It's kind of cool. I wish there was a balcony. I thought there was. I guess I was wrong. Here is the bed. It's a nice bed. Oh, mattress seems to be really a quality mattress. Looks like a double bed. Got your telephone there. You got your outlets. Outlet there as well. One more right there. One more right there. Let's check out the bathroom now. It's nice and clean. Moderate. You got your soap there. Razor blades. Dental kit, toothpaste, shower cap, some glasses. You got your hair dryer as well. Check out the shower. A good sized shower. They give you shampoo, as well as shower gel. Okay. It's clean. No mold. This hotel is only like, I believe it was open just before the pandemic, as you guys. You got a nice mirror right here as well. Look at yourself before you go out. You also have laundry as well. Basic prices. Rather expensive. Better to go out and go to a laundry shop. It's cheaper. They give you 2 cards as well. Alright, there's one inside there. This you keep with you. Keep your room cool when you go out. They also have room service. Room service 11 a.m. till 9 o'clock p.m. Caesar salad 200 baht. Fish and chips 200 baht. French fries 129 baht. Chicken wings 129 baht. That's appetizers. Club sandwich 189. I also have pizza. Smoothies 120 baht. Pricey. You get the Singha beer 110 baht, Leo 110 baht, Chang 110, Heineken 120. Also got some signature cocktails 250 baht. As well as some cocktails here 260 baht. So yeah, it's Bangkok, you know, it's a little more pricey than Pattaya, obviously. And there's no smoking in this room. You get fined. It's 5,000 baht if you smoke. So here you have it. It's guest friendly. The aircon's quiet. What else do you need? Cheers. Here is the rooftop pool. 7th floor. There's the bar right there. Bar and restaurant. It's got awesome views of Bangkok, as you can see. All the way around. It's a good sized pool. It's not that deep. It's definitely good for kids. It's about 4.5 feet deep. Good enough, right? What else do you need? And the gym is downstairs on the first floor, apparently, which I'll be showing you right after this. So as you walk in, there's a lobby right there, and you just walk straight over to here, and the gym is right over here, the energy gym. And you gotta use your card. They give you 2 key cards, and you just swipe it, and there you go. The gym's right here. Pretty basic, there's 2 treadmills. I don't want to film my guy, so. Dumbbells go up to like, I think it's like 50 pounds. You got a bench there. And behind you got some leg machines as well. There's a small little bench here. For your back as well. Just basic. There's a TV in here as well. They got free water for you, some towels, medicine ball. It's just basic. I went to the gym today. It was good. For an hour, it's good enough.